He's my father-in-law. Before 2 months, doctor detected, we went for his angiography and we found that there were 3 blockages in Rajkot. Then doctor suggested that he needs to undergo bypass surgery. So we consulted Dr. Anil Jain and he asked us to come ASAP because he said that the main artery was blocked. So almost about a month we were here, and seeing his age and build up, we were a bit tensed, but the doctor's experience and his confidence was to another level, and you can see him. This is the 10th day his bypass surgery was done and he's perfectly fine, normal. Day before yesterday he was to be discharged, but then the staff, the doctors, they found out that he's having inguinal hernia, and the doctor suggested that he needs to undergo again another surgery in 8-9 days. But we as family members, we were very tense that how can the patient undergo another surgery in a week's time. But hats off to the surgeon, Dr. Bharat Shah. The surgery was Firstly, he convinced us that he'll be completely safe, the surgery will be completely safe, and seeing his confidence, we were ready to go for it. And today you can see him, he's completely fine after 2 operations, and tomorrow we are ready for his discharge. So all the credit, I will say, goes to EpicHospital, Dr. Anil Jain, the captain of the ship, and his team, all the staff, the nursing staff, paramedical staff, all are so very well and cooperative, and we are very happy with the service we have received. So I recommend EpicHospital. Thank you so very much from the bottom of our hearts to Dr. Anil Jain and Dr. Bharat Shah as well for everything they have done for my father-in-law. Thank you so much.